Let's learn IIB. Today we will work on a project that converts COBOL copybook into IIB DFDL. COBOL is a programming language from 2002. COBOL is primarily used in business, finance and administrative systems for companies and governments. There are many companies in the world who still have legacy code written in COBOL, and they are running in production. When migrating your company's legacy systems, you will have to work with COBOL copybooks. A COBOL copybook, in short, defines data structures. Screen shows one such sample. Tab character is used to indicate parent-child relationship. I will be creating DFDL within a shared library. Click on New Message Model and select COBOL as shown on screen. Then select the first option you see, wherein we will be creating DFDL by importing a COBOL copybook. Next, select the data structures that you are interested in. Here it is purchase data. Purchase data is the data structure. That's it. Toolkit will do the rest for you and create DFDL. Add some sample values as shown on screen to test your newly created DFDL. Create logical instance, then serialize to view the data in binary form. If there are any errors due to the length of the sample data that you typed, fix them and serialize again. Use the binary file provided in GitHub and parse it using DFDL. On successfully parsing the input binary file, you will see multiple items shown in tree structure. Screen shows COBOL copybook in text file. What did we learn today? We learned what COBOL copybooks are, how to import them into IIB as DFDL, how to test DFDL with sample values, how to parse binary data created by legacy systems using DFDL. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.